Today we're going to take a look at how you can read a vector scope to detect phase issues in your mix. Phase issues. This can be having two acoustic guitars or similar instruments that are playing the same part and panning left and right, or played in mono that they can cancel each other out. It doesn't always happen, but it's a risk you take when you layer your instruments on top of each other. We can use a vector scope to identify these phase issues. Most of the energy should be vertical and in the center, like this. If it's unbalanced to the left or right, then there are phase issues. Now I like to use iZotope's Ozone 11 because it's got 3 different vector scope options. So if we looked at the polar sample vector scope, we can see we've got the inverted triangle here, and this shows the dots per sample. This is a mono sound, straight down the line, but in stereo, the dots per sample spray out to the sides of the audio so we can see the stereo image of the track. Now the important part here is the polar level down here. This is the mix dot that tells us where the energy is in the mix. It should be in the center rather than the sides because then it's an unbalanced mix. We also have a Lissajous, which is a diamond shape. Now what you want to see here is a vertical line like here. It's messy, but it's vertical. If you start seeing a horizontal line, then you have phase issues. Now, each vector scope has a correlation meter like this, and what you want to see is the blue dot going as close as possible to +1. If it's from 0 to -1, there's phase issues. Follow for more.